He's slowing down. He's slowing down on purpose.
No, he is not.